Hello everybody, today we're working on a 2023 Chrysler Pacifica. We have all keys lost, so we're going to program 2 keys into the system. And for this vehicle, the connection is back here, believe it or not on the OBD under the dashboard. So we're going to program prox keys, let the machine do its thing. All right, follow the next screens carefully. We got to hold the remote next to the push to start button and press the unlock button a few times. There we go. That registered. Okay, and we're going to do another one. Hold it right here and press the unlock button. There we go. And that is it. Programmed 2023 Chrysler Pacifica, new fobs. Thanks for watching, guys.